This video will walk you through how to find a test statistic and p-value that's needed to test a claim about a population standard deviation. For this problem, we're going to use the example that's on the previous page, dealing with the exam scores. We've already gone through and had step 1 and step 2 done, so now let's deal with step 3. We're going to press the program button, and we're going to deal with an S2 test. Now, this very same situation would have been an S2 int if it had been a confidence interval, but we want option 3 for S2 test, and select enter to run it. Now, this first value it's asking for is the variance used to write the null and alternative. Well, we have the standard deviation that was used as 17, so to convert it to a variance, we'll hit the square button before hitting enter. Now we need the sample variance. Now we are told the standard deviation of the sample was 13.38, so we'll enter 13.38 and press the square button to square that answer into a variance. Sample size was 35. We'll hit enter. Now we know the alternative symbols are greater than, so taking a look here, it looks like option number 3, so select option number 3 for the greater than symbol. And within a matter of seconds, we have our chi-squared score. Make sure you write the appropriate symbol, 21.06, 2 decimal places, 960 thousandths or 96 hundredths for our p-value. And this is the same result that we ended up with here at the end of this table, where all the screens are given to you as well. This concludes this video.